Hey guys, Yo-Yo Man 535, and this is a video of a new yo-yo that I got. Yeah. See, this yo-yo, is a prototype Big Brother yo-yo, and it doesn't have a name yet or anything. I just got it. Well, Jacob Spence, who is Doug's son who owns Big Brother yo-yos, he gave me this, and I just been playing it all day today, and I absolutely love it. It's amazing. When this thing comes out, it's going to be awesome, because this yo-yo is awesome. Looking forward to when the name comes out. I'll let you guys know if I hear anything about that. Yeah, it looks amazing. It's got a really cool shape. The inside's pretty cool. It's like bumpy. I don't know how to explain it. This stuff's like super. You can see the difference in the texture a little bit on the camera, but not as well as in real life. It plays awesome. It's got a slight vibe, but it's a prototype. It's awesome though. It sleeps for a while. Great for any type of yo-yoing. I did some horizontals and other stuff, and it's really nice. So just making that video to show you guys this. I think it's pretty awesome. So, yep. Thanks.